Hey, how are you? Hope everyone is fine. Uh, Today we will learn how to create a Facebook account in the professional way without any hurdle. With professional account, everything security, privacy, DP that create a professional would takes money for that work. Okay, let's what it is the process. In the start, uh, go to Google and search here facebook.com. Facebook. In the first website, click on the Facebook, and here is a screen coming for the Facebook login. In the bottom side, there is an option for create new account. Click on the create new account. This is coming here, and they give they demand details for the Facebook creation. In the first name, enter your first name. Let me write here. Let me write here. Said. Said. Enter your real name. Okay. Said Faraz. Here is they demand a video number and or email address. But I will create this Facebook account by using email. Okay. You can also create by using number, email, and we enter email address. And in the next process, they demand video password. Okay. Enter password like capital letter, one or two capital letters with the combination of small letters and with the combinations of special characters. Okay. Uh, I will copy here. Let me show you like S capital letter in the combination of smalls letter, smalls numbers like 2 3 5, and special character you can using at the rate and so on, at the rate, and so is this type of, then this is the strong password, and also Facebook say that use this kind of password. Okay. Enter your date of birth. Date of birth, if you enter date of birth, I am under it here my date of birth. My date of birth is I am enter random date of birth. Okay, but you can enter here your original date of birth like this. Enter your gender, and click on the sign up button. The first please choose a more secure password. It should be longer than 6 characters, unique to you and difficult to others to guess. Okay. They say that use a strong password. That that I am tell you password. I will enter here. Say this. Okay. I enter this password here. Let what say this. Sign up. Now the first process for the account creation is done. They if you enter email, then they send a code into your email address. If you enter number, then they will send you in your number. Okay. You can also click here and also copy paste this in your browser tab. Okay. Continue. You have successfully confirmed your account with this. Okay. वो कह रहा है they will say that your account is successfully created, and then let's see what the next process is coming. Our Facebook page is successfully created. In the first step, please enter your here two most important details: your profile pic and cover photo. Okay. This type of detail, bio, edit details, you can enter this in the later. Okay. I add here my profile pic. It will take a lot of times. I think my net is weak at this time. Let me refresh my browser. I think my internet is weak. Due to this will take a lot of time. Okay, the screen is coming here. Okay, the profile pic is added successfully. Here, upload your cover photo. Cover photo enter here. Save changes. Now your profile created successfully. And next steps I will guide you in the next videos. Okay. Allah Hafiz.